my 5-minute glowy makeup look. Hopefully I can stick to the 5-minute timer. I'm gonna set it on my phone and show you how quick I do my makeup most mornings. All the products will be linked below. I'm not gonna be talking, I'm just gonna let it go and see if I can get it all done in 5 minutes. So here we go.
Échappons vers l'horizon. Allons plonger vers les ciels de Méditerranée. Échappons vers l'horizon.
Shit, I actually did it. So this is my 5-minute glowy skin makeup look. The main products that I use for glowy skin are my Esme Mineral Foundation. It's a really nice light coverage. It has hyaluronic acid in it as well, so it's very hydrating. And then the Bondi Sands Pearl Lights. So that I use on my cheeks. Sometimes I mix that in with my foundation and put it all over my face, and it's like a soft glowy look. I put a little bit of Hourglass highlighter as well. The last thing is the Mist and Fix spray. Helps it all stay put. And the first thing I used was this primer from Mecca, which is like a hydrating fresh face primer. So it's really luminous as well and makes your skin glow. And that is my 5-minute makeup look. And I hope you enjoyed. Bye.